3 years, she busting that thing open.
Oh.
Believe that.
With someone you know.
No, not my good. Only balls.
The lights didn't keep them there.
Yeah, they wasn't feeling like that.
Once you're not in the little heart section of Instagram.
Listen, I'm freestyling this whole show. I've been talking all day and all week. I'm letting Rory pull up. There's too much to talk about, so y'all pull him up and we'll just discuss it. Fuck that.
Let's talk about Joe's friend of the show, not Mo and I's friend of the show. Yes, Jules. Seemed to get herself into some hot water this weekend. That was my radio voice.
Old boy showed her the sex tape.
Showed her the sex tape.
Is it even really considered sex tapes anymore? Is that still a term?
It's not really
Are we desensitized to sex?
Like a sex slide.
Yeah, but I'm just saying, like, are we like, is that still like a big deal? Is that a big deal?
No, it's not, but we still don't talk about it.
Yeah, but like,
We're men, and men are easily entertained. I normally don't. Well, I'm in love, but the sex tapes normally don't do anything to add to the chick's allure. It normally hurts you.
Yeah, I don't think so.
it depends on how good or how bad the sex tape is. Because if it's great, like, she looks great, or she's like,
Alright. Tape help or hurt at all? I don't really even want to talk about.
I don't think it
talk about it.
it hurt.
It didn't seem to hurt, right?
I think other things that she's done, nothing really hurt.
Like what? Tell me some of it.
Well, the shirts she said she was
Career. Well, career that. Things before that.
what was the other thing?
The shit that
The black girl
back
ran.
about the
That. I think all of that hurt more than sex.
Alright, let's stop. Let's deal with that. Let's deal with that for a second. Women, there's no like nice way to say this.
I know that shit made understand.
Wait, what did you put?
I'm not saying that, but I'm just saying, women. Wait, what was it? Oh, women that are not of color. Anytime you start talking about all the black men want me and not y'all, come off away. Why am I the first person to say? Why? How come nobody? You have enough black friends. Why am I the only one? You might not be. Clearly, I'm the only one saying
Saying what?
that she should be a big dog.
After she's already been getting killed for over a year about how she takes from black culture and what she brings to it. Insulted.
Yeah, but you know what?
And then you come and she can't, for all that she's built, I can't say she's a snoop girl. She has to have some intelligence. So to post a shirt like that, knowing what you've been through, I don't like have no sympathy.
Yeah, that was
fucking dumb.
Well, Jules' area of expertise would be marketing.
I didn't really know about
Jules is a brand ambassador. Now I know that it's cool to make fun of that term. But she's booked, she gets booked, she gets gigs, she does business, she's connected, it seems, right?
She's been successful. I don't think anyone would say she's been
Well,
successful. No,
she's the chief of vibes.
Yeah, she's the chief of vibes. She curates the vibes. That's what I know.
Definitely the chief of vibes.
I feel like people that hang out with enough black people, somebody should say, if Rory did some real stupid shit, I would say something. Because I love him. I don't love Jules enough to say something, so I had to ignore all the texts that she sent me to. I had to. The girl has drawn a line in the sand. Honestly.
So is this
Yo, that's a real thing.
No, I get it.
Wait, what?
Yeah, no, I get it.
That's a real thing. And she's right. She's absolutely right. Y'all know, it's in my nature to want to help. I want to help people. I want to give some information to them. Fam, you make it real hard. What do you want to do?
Did y'all believe her apology?
Fuck no.
Yeah, I don't know how you.
I don't know. I ain't leave that.
I never met you, so I don't know.
I've met Jules, and the Jules that I know or don't know Because I don't know her. Let me be very clear. I don't know. You meet people that today you meet people and people just make best people ever and you just know. I don't know Jules. I met her. She's done the podcast. She's a friend of the show, or used to be. Not anymore. Hell no. No. I can't comfortably support knowing that. No. I can't. I don't even know how to word it because it's touchy. But no, I can't support that. How? Tell me how I can feel comfortable supporting it.
I'll ask from the outside looking in, obviously. How do you feel about because there were a lot.
It's not my place to judge what anyone else does and what opinions anyone else forms. I'm concerned about me and mine. We not both. That,
No, I will say this. I don't think Jules is, like I said, I've never met her, but I don't think she's racist at all. I don't get that. I think that she's just not, conscious of things that she does. And she's kind of a target. I think people be waiting for her to make little slip-ups here. They can just go in on her. You know what I mean? So that's like a slippery slope too. But
it ain't slippery when you post the shirt.
yeah, no,
You take all the slip off the slope.
Yeah, I get that. But like I said, I don't.
But she is a target.
Yeah, she's definitely a target. 100%.
Yeah, but I think it wasn't for people going, she's a full racist, is that you're so egotistical that you think you can say these things.
And it's okay.
Part of it. Like you're above this now. You have gone into, you're so accepted by everyone that you can say these things. It's really upsetting. But no, I don't think Jules is going to claim me.
Yeah.
I just think she just has a really big ego.
The killer vibe of the clan meeting.
She might be under one of them looks.
But then it's always a target with white girls. I don't care how you got your ass. Because that's not natural ass.
Well,
It's not important. I mean, it adds nothing to the story. I'm just saying, when you have ass, no matter how you got it,
what? Was she saying she wasn't white? Because I mean, when she went on that Black Girl rant, she hashtagged white thought. So I always thought she identified as white, and then when she said this, all of a sudden she's now Puerto Rican. So I thought that was a bit odd.
I don't like that either. I don't like logic in black and white.
Okay. I was listening to it at work, so I wasn't like really focused. What is your issue with logic?
Oh my bad. The song.
The one J. Cole, the last part?
No. No. Most definitely. I'm black. I'm white. And I struggle with black.
What's wrong with Logic?
Logic has an entire album about it. That's number one. He's had a few albums about it. That's number two. Number three, it's done on this particular song. I'm not talking about the album. The album's great. This particular song is done very cookie cutter and cheesy with a lot of pro-black people references from a gentleman that looks as white as